In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a table in Google Sheets with just a single prompt. Create a table of product list with column product name, description, category, product URL, image URL. Give me 100 list. Choose the AI models. Ensure you have already added the API key. The default is Auto. We recommend a fast, lightweight model such as Gemini Flash. Let's improve the instruction to add placement. Let's add put in A3. We now just click Apply. It will automatically generate the table. If the table is too large, it will include a continuation button. The first part of the table is finished. It has already generated 29 of 100 rows. You can click Continue to let the AI generate the rest of the table. Click Continue again. We need this continuation because Google limits each task execution to 30 seconds. The table creation process is finished. You can now create any table with a simple instruction. Install AiAssistWorks and try it for free.